So hello everyone, welcome to Triaright. This is back 365. Myself Sujit. So in this session, we are going to learn some new function that's available in our regular expression. In the previous session, we are already done with our match function. Means match function will be saying that if you are trying to search a pattern by the help of this match, it will be search only the beginning of the string. If it will be find, it will be send a object. If the object, or we can say that the string which you are going to search on this main string, if it will not found, then at that time it will be give the output as none. Okay, at the time if the string that we are searching it will be found, then it will be gives us the a object, or we can say that match object. Okay, now the next function for this session will be search function. Okay, what is this search function? Says that searches for the first occurrence of the pattern in the string. Means if so guys, just see here, we are just try to keep it as 2 time a. Okay, means first we are just try to take 1 time a, then 2 time a. So now the next method will be the search method. Says that searches for the first occurrence, means it will be only searching for this one, means for this a, it will be not searching for the double time a. Okay, means what I'm just trying to say that if one time the a will be found, then it will be not searching for one more time, means only one time it will begin that. Okay, so how it going to happen, we are just try to see now. So guys, just see in the main string, means, or we can say that the raw string where we are just trying to search that if in the main string 2 time a will be there, if I try to using our search function, it will be taking only first occurrence. Okay, how the things will going to work, now we are just try to see now. So guys, just see here also we are taking the same string, or we can say that the same one. Okay, so how it going to happen, the syntax will be saying that first you are just try to use your module name. So here my module name will be RE, that we are already importing. Okay, then if you are try to use any method, then at that time we are using your dot. Okay, means by the help of this dot we can acquire our different type of method from this module. Okay, so now our next function will be search. So here also it will take 2 argument. Okay, so now if I'm just try to search for a, and here make sure that you need to pass your raw string, or we can say that your original string, where you are just try to check that. Okay, so guys, just see now if I'm just try to search that the a will be available in this main string, or we can search that the variable name is or not. So at that time it will be return a match object, that is called our a will be find. Okay, suppose here I'm just trying to search for z. I think in this main string the z will be not there, guys, right? So guys, just see here it will be give me the output as none, means whatever the raw string you are just trying to searching, it will be not available in that string. Okay, now I just try to write the theoretical points for our search function. Okay, so what is this search? So return a match object. Okay, return a object match object if there if if means if there any matches will be there, then only it will be return a match object, otherwise it will be not showing a match object. Okay, return a match object if there is a match. Okay, if there is a match anywhere in the string, in the string. Okay, it return. Okay, it return the next point, it return none. Okay, when it will be return none, if no matches are found, means as you know we are searching for the element that already available, the element which are not available for the both the things we are trying to catch it one. Okay, now I'm just trying to write the same thing. Okay, now the syntax for this search function will be so the same as re, means the module name, then in the lowercase you need to write. Okay, then the method name, or we can say that the function name search. So here you are just try to write in your searching element, or we can say that that character which you want to search, and here you need to write your main string, means from which pattern you are just try to match it on. Okay, so this is all about our search, or we can say that the searching the element by the help of our search function. Okay, now the next function will be find all. What is the use of this find all? We'll be going to see now. So find all means also it will be searching the element which you have just tried to check it once. So here the return a list of matches means how many are matching. At that time it will be return that particular thing. So how it going to happen, we are just try to see through a new example. So every time we are just try to importing, that's why one time I'm just try to importing, and every time I'm just try to use that. Okay, so now we are just try to take a new example and everything. Okay, so here we are just try to take a new string. Okay, so here I'm just try to write we are waiting for a interview. Okay, so now my requirement will be I want to know how many times the A will be available. Okay, if in the interview they going to ask you how many times the A will be going to happen, then you can run a loops to check that particular user input. Okay, if you are using this regular expression also you can find that. Okay, how it will going to happen also, it will be written all the matches in a list, means before every time if you see it will be written a match object. But here if I'm just try to find the return type of find all function, it will be give me in the list only. Okay, how it going to happen, we are just try to see now. So every time if I just try to print this one, we are using our print function, then array dot, here we are just try to write our function name. So here my function name will be find all. So which character you want to find, so here I'm just try to searching for our A, in where the main string you need to give also. So here my main string will be S. So guys, just see in this main string S we have 3 times A. So guys, just see the return type also will be list. Okay, now if I'm just try to searching for the empty list, okay, means the empty string, means how many times the empty list will be, or we can say the string will be available also, we can do that. Okay, so guys, just see now if I'm just try to run this one, so guys, just I am fast, I need to kill the terminal, then again I'm just try to run this one. So how many times the bracket, or we can say that the spaces will be available also, we can get that by the help of our find all method. Okay, so guys, just see now if I'm just forgetting something, means here every time I'm just try to give in a single quotation. Now if I mistakenly forget that, I need to keep it on a single quotation. So at that time if I'm just try to use this array dot find all, so at that time how it going to happen, so guys, just see here it will be give me a error that you are just missing a name error. So guys, just see name error means y is not defined. If I'm just try to keep it as a string, then only it will be give you the output, means if the element will be not available, it will be return a empty list, because the return type will be list only. That's why here it will be give me, if the element will be not available, at that time it will be give a empty list only. Okay, now I just try to write the theoretical point for this one. Okay, so return a list containing all matches, containing all matches elements. So guys, just see every time it will be returning the containing, or okay, containing the all matches. So guys, just see here how many matches are available, it will be returning, guys, right? So here we are just trying to write returning list containing all matches element, means how many element are matches, it will be returned. And okay, if it will be not containing that particular things, okay, if that will be not available, so at that time it will be give you a new things, or we can say that known as my output. Okay, so it will, so then returns, okay, so here I'm just trying to write returns, okay, an empty list if no match was found. If no matching are found, at that time it will be give me a empty thing that it will be not available. Okay, so this is the way we can use this one. So the syntax also will be same. Array dot find all. Okay, find all. Every time first you need to give your searching element. Okay, so here you need to write find all. First here you need to write searching element. Okay, then you need to write your main string. Okay, this is all about our the find all function that's available. Then the next one will be split function. What is the use of this split function? Will be split function says that split a string by the occurrence of the pattern. Okay, so I'm just trying to write, then we are directly jumping into our example, then only we can get a clear picture on that how it's going to happen. Okay, so we are going to see through an example only that how the split will going to work. Okay, so we are taking the same string. Okay, but we are taking how the split will be going to work. Okay, so every time the syntax will be same. Array dot split method, or we can say that the split function, then here you are just trying to pass as a, means I want to divide the entire string by the help of this a, means it will be splitting, means where it will be finding a, it will be dividing that particular thing. So guys, just see how the output will be comes. So guys, just see here it will be give me all the output. Okay, so I need to forget the main string, that's why here it will be gives the error. So every time if I'm not passing your main string from where it will be searching, it will be gives you a error. So guys, just see here, if you see we have to split by the help of the a, means where it will be finding the a, it will be removing and it will be dividing that particular thing. So guys, just see first it will be taking we, then space. So guys, just see we space, then it will be finding a, means it will be needs to be break here, or we can say that split here. Then after that here re space w. So guys, just see re space w, then again we have a, that's why here it will be doing like that, means where it will be finding a, it needs to be split, or we can say that break it once. Okay, so guys, just see now if I'm try to keep it as the, if I'm trying to break a string that will be not presenting at that time, what is the output we are just trying to see now. So first we are trying to write this syntax re dot split function. Okay, so first I'm just trying to pass as y, then here I need to pass as my s, means I want to break the main string by the help of this, or we can say that split that main string by the help of this y. Okay, so guys, just see here in the main string we don't have any y, that's why here it will be taking only one list in the entire thing, means y will be not finding, that's why it will be keep it as the entire things will be one. Okay, so now if you want to make a count that I want to splitting only 2 times, I want to splitting only 5 times, so you can do that. So guys, how to do that we are just try to see now. So array dot split function. Okay, split function, here I'm just try to use my a, then here first I need to pass my main string as s, then so guys, just see here I am just try to break it as 1 2 3 then 4 times, but now if I'm keeping as 2, okay, so you can get a clear picture on that how it's going to happen. Okay, so I've just tried to kill the terminal, again I'm just try to run this one. So guys, just see the first output and the third output. Okay, so guys, just see we are waiting for a interview, it will be going the output as the print y, because y will be not available. So guys, just see here it will be showing that we are using a max split, means how many times. So guys, just see here it will be dividing only 2 times. So guys, just see we, then a will be there, it will be breaking that, or we can say that splitting that, then after rewe means till wait, again it will be breaking, then so guys, just see after for a interview also there, means a interview will be there, but we are not keeping that particular mind because we are using our max split, means we are only need 2 times, that's why here it will be give me that only 2 times split. Then after if any a will be there, it don't need to split that because we are using that particular thing. So now we are just try to write the theoretical point. So The next one will be to return a list where the string where the string has been split at each matches. Okay, and the syntax will be simple: array dot split. Okay, so first we are trying to split means from where you are just trying to use that particular thing, means the splitting the split string, then you just need to write your main string. Okay, so that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we are trying to discuss more function that's available in this regular expression. So thanks for watching. Triaright.